Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So today we are going to be discussing about how to add an extension to an existing building. So this very project, this place is written existing building. So that's this very part is already existing, it has already been built. So because the size of the building is small, and the owner decided to extend and increase the length of the building so as to have more functionality on the plot of land, since there is enough space at the back. So for this very project, they're going to make use of they're going to add design that the owner wants to it. So for this very project, the space that is available to the back was enough to create the type of design that we wanted. So the space to the fence was was up to 60 to 70 feet. So what we did was for us to start taking our measurements from for the horizontal measurement. Like if you are taking your measurement from this place to this place like this, that's the horizontal measurement. What we did was to measure from the horizontal line of the existing building. So this is the horizontal line of the existing building. So we had to take measurement from this place, since this block is already existing. So we have to take measurement from here and measure 10 feet for this very room. So we have to take measurement from for this living room, which is 12 feet. Take measurement from there, 12 feet. So from there we were able to get all the measurements that we had horizontally this way. Then for us to be able to get the vertical measurement, which is these very lines that are here, the straight ones, what we did, we have to make use of line, that's rope. For bricklayers, you have to take line from the existing building. It should be few distance away from the end of the building so that you can have a straight line. You have to get a rope from here and extend the rope out to away from the distance of the project of the new project. So the length of the design, you have to extend it away a bit away from it so that you can get your measurements from that very rope. So it's a rope that is directing us so as to know the align, so that the new building will align with the existing building, so that it will be on the same line. So that's why we are making use of line of rope for bricklayer. So we have to do that, then align it out so from it's a few distance away from the existing building, so as to get a straight aligned line. For that is the aligned line will be aligned through from the existing building to the new building, so it will be a straight line, aligning a straight line. So we have to check it. So you have to check it. That's the work of, you have to check it properly so that the that's a practical something, so it's not theoretical, so that it will be straight. That will be another in another video. It will be straight, aligned with the building. So after doing that, then you can now start taking your measurements from the rope. That's this very the rope that is already existing here that you have aligned at. You take your measurement from there. So whatever measurement you are taking, you add the size of the block. That's for this very rope measurement too. So after taking the first measurement, you stop adding the size of the block. So what if you are measuring in to in, you take your measurement. If it's out to out, you take your measurements. But for the very first one, since you have not placed your block here, or if you can be able to align it, then position your block at this very point. Then at the extreme end this way, you position the end of the building where the new building will stop. You take your calculation, then you position your block there, then you align your block straight. Then from the block, the inside of the from the block inside face, that's the inside of the block this way. Let me explain properly with the use of, so from inside the block this way, then you can now take your measurement. Depending on how you take your measurement, you can also measure from out to out or in to in. Then when you are done, you can be able to take all your measurements, the horizontal, the all the vertical measurements this way, like this. You take all your measurements from this very straight line that you've gotten from your existing building, so that is already aligned with your existing building. That's where you take all your vertical measurements. Then from there you can be able to get an accurate result. So it all depends on the shape of the existing building. For this one is already is a rectangular shape and is straight. So there are buildings that are not in a straight form. It can, some parts can go inside while some parts can go outside, but the main thing is for you to align with the external edge of the building. If it's not straight, you know where to align it from, and based on the calculation that you, the type of design that you are working on. So the main point is for you to align the existing building with the proposed building, so that you get a, you get the aligned, your building will be the existing building will be aligned with the new building. So it's very important. So that's how you extend an existing building.